Yeah, hugely topical issue, obviously, over the last few days has been around this deliberate data breach within the political sphere with Covid-19 patient data. And I guess as I've observed this over the last couple of days and followed it reasonably closely, huge amounts of frustration as a technologist and a purist to technology, in that it's really solvable. The technology is in place, the technology is good to enable us to share data in a safe, secure manner, but yet we're not doing it. So here's an incredibly high profile example where what is fundamentally the old way of sharing Excel in a spreadsheet, Excel as the spreadsheet as a database, there's the first one that is like, okay, that's the first cross, and then the idea that we just email these data sets around in fundamentally an unsecure manner. And so I look at that and I think about that scenario, and we can't afford that. We can't do that for our clients. We'd be held to account, and our clients can't do that with their clients' data. This is highly sensitive, this information, and as we get more and more information, as more and more of our data is fundamentally available, we have to improve. We have to leverage the technology that's there. And as a technologist and as people that implement solutions, I think we've been way too focused on just the technology. And the big bit here is the behaviour, is the people. We haven't changed people's behaviour as as technology's progressed. So we end up with a system that's fundamentally still dependent on people's behaviour, and it's failing. And so I think there's a really, really opportune time, when we've got such a high profile example that we're probably, no matter what end of the political spectrum we sit at, we're probably pretty disgusted by. And we should be looking internally as to our own practices and where have we still got that bad behaviour? Where have we got those gaps within our organisation? Because I guarantee that nearly all of us will have examples of where we're still operating in a way that may be leading to security. And so that's the challenge out there for us, is that let's as a technologist, we've got to be better at the change and helping people adopt and manage the new behaviours. And as people, we've got to make sure we move forward, we embrace the technology and really ensure that things like this don't continue to happen.